Hiya Duck! So today I'm going to show you a cool trick of how to very easily clean your gel polish bottles. Because I've got some dirty bottles here. I want to show you how bad they are. And they generally are the ones that you use a lot. And you're using them quick. Because look at that. It's all congealed all around the neck of the bottle. It's even, you know, it's all in there. It's not good. It's a mess. It's a mess. This one's very similar, but more around here. We've got to get that off. And the white, because we use white loads. Look at that.
Gunked up. What
a mess. What a right old mess. The more you use it, the more it's going to happen. And look, gunky, nasty. So, first of all, I'm going to pop some gloves on. So you can use paper towel if you want to, but I'm going to use these. These are Gauze. So they're like a huge lint-free wipe. These are. And I love them. So I've got 2 of those there. What I'm going to do, because they're so big, don't need something quite so big, I'm going to cut it into 4, which means I will have, how many will I have? I'll have 8. Look at that, I can do maths as well. I'll have 8 squares of this big Gauze or lint-free wipe. Then what we're going to do is cut a little hole. So we're going to fold it and fold it again. So we folded it in half and then we folded it in half again. Now you can use a little pair of scissors just to cut the corner off. Leave you a bit of a hole. Okay, I'm actually going to make that slightly bigger. Slightly bigger. I was being a bit too apprehensive there and going too small. That's it. So that hole will allow the brush to go through. So we're taking off any excess polish from the brush as much as you can. Off that stem as well. We're going to pop this through the hole. We're going to put that in there like that. It's got a little cape. And we're going to spin this on and close it with a little cape on. And we're going to open it out. Again, take off that excess. Now we're going to wrap this around like this and spin it. And this is, because this is super congealed, it will still clean it off. Look at that. Look at that! Amazing! I'm going to do it one more time because I want to get inside here. You want to make sure it's kind of sitting like this. Yeah. In. Give it a screw. Shut it tight. You can do that a few times. Again, take off your excess. Wrap it round. Give it a spin. Look at that. That is way better. And then if we look in here now, can you see how we've cleaned on that inside as well?
So how does that happen then?
Just using it, and it's, you know, when you're using it like, and you're going in and out the bottle,
right,
it'll eventually come down, especially if you've got a lot on the stem.
Yeah.
And if you do this, when you put it on, if you don't go perfectly in the middle, which, you know, when you're doing a client, you might not, and you push that against the side.
Yeah, I can see it there.
Yeah. That is going to take off what's on the stem. So that is how the majority of it happens. So another thing you can do, depending how dirty it is, if it's super sticky and you want it to be a little bit easier, you can get some cleanup solution, put that on your lint-free wipe, you Again, take off your excess. Put it through the hole. Pop it on. Screw it down. Give it a few times. Screw it, screw it. Undo it. Take off the excess. Again, wrap it around. You can see why you need gloves for this. And that's going to clean that up.
And the clean-up solution will make it come off easily.
Yeah, the clean-up solution, if it's really chewy, sticky, chewy, you know, we could have probably done it with this one, but I kind of wanted to show you the other way as well when something is quite sticky and chewy. You can do that. There is something else we can do. You're best doing this with some couch roll or some kitchen towel. You're going to grab hold of this brush and we are going to wiggle it till it comes out. Yeah, so that's what happens. It's come out and you can clean the entire stem if you want to. But I wouldn't use a lint-free wipe because you know these lint-free wipes are never really lint-free. They have a little bit of fuzzy and we don't want to get any fuzzies on this brush. So a little bit of clean-up solution and that's going to help you clean that. So that's if the stem is super like sticky. Maybe you've got something on it, some glitter or things like that. You don't want it to contaminate into the bottle. And then you can also get that and go into your bottle and screw it. Pull it out and it's going to clean that for you. Loads better. When you want to clean this part, now if you clean over this part with clean-up solution or lint-free wipe, with clean-up solution or acetone, it's going to take off this logo. You're best using like an antibacterial wipe or a dry lint-free wipe.
You can put a little bit of clean-up solution on an antibacterial wipe.
Have you tried that one?
It won't take it off.
It doesn't take it off.
No. Like I said, dilutes it a bit.
Yeah.
But it'll make it it'll clean up nicely.
What you're going to do to get this back into the lid, pop it into the bottle, pop it on top like that, put the lid on, screw it nice and tight, open it, and there you are. Looks like brand new again. How cool is that? Nice and clean. So we're going to do the same with the black. Now, because black is super, super pigmented, I'm going to use the technique where we fold it, cut off the corner and put clean-up solution on it. So we're going to put clean-up solution on it. It's going to soak through. You can even place it on top if you want to. Put that in. So we give it a little cape. Screw it down. Up and down, up and down. Hold that there. Take that out. Wrap it around. So you can see it's so important to wear gloves while you do this. Look at that. So much better. You can clean the bottle with clean-up solution. You know, if you have any little bits that you want to clean up, you can do that with clean-up solution. So I'm happy with that. And let's do this one. This one's super chewy. Look at that. This is Silly Billy. It gets used so much. And it's one of our best sellers, isn't it? It's one of our best sellers. If you haven't got Silly Billy in your collection, you need to because it's so popular amongst clients. Everybody loves it. Pop that on. There we go. Give the bottle a nice cape. Wind it round. Clean-up solution. Have you ever tried this? I want to know if you've ever tried to do it this way. I think it's the easiest way to do it. I can even feel that that's cleaner in there already. It's almost squeaky clean. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's squeaky.
Yeah. And let's wrap this around. Oh my God, it's like new. So I'm just going to clean the rest of the bottle.
So will clean-up solution just take off the gel that's on the bottle itself?
Yes.
Right.
It will. It'll take it. Look
Even
at
though
that.
it'll probably be cured.
Look at that in there.
Mm.
That is so much cleaner. Even though it's cured, especially on the shiny bottles, it will just come off. Not so much on the matte bottles. So like this one, we can just get that bit off there. Because obviously if it's been exposed to any kind of light, it's going to be cured. But because it has no top coat on it, it will come off. And plus it's on a shiny surface. So it will come off. One thing that really doesn't come off the bottles is ink. Ink is pretty much impossible to get off. I think you've had a go at that before, haven't you, Adam? Getting ink off bottles.
Yeah.
Bit of a nightmare.
And chrome.
Chrome, yeah, bit of a nightmare. Nice and
I go
clean.
home very glittery at the moment.
So, like, you could even do it with, look at the base coat. That looks minging. So this is a matte top coat. That's minging. That wants cleaning. So you could do things like that. So this is ink on our matte top coat here. And I'll show you. It's so difficult to get off because it's so pigmented. Especially onto a matte.
It stains it.
Yeah, so you can get off the majority, but can you see the little stain? So I hope you're all sat there in the salon cleaning. And if you have an apprentice, show them this video and get them to all your bottles and they'll all look like new again. How gorgeous is that? They look like new again because nobody wants to be using manky bottles on your clients, do you? Do you know what I mean? No excuse. I'm just about to go clean the rest of mine, so I'll be in a while. Okay. Right then, guys. I'll see you later. Try duck.